Yo, a lot of people. And the place is rainy, I see I can go now a good look. Alright, let me let you, we'll carry you over first. Carry you over. Alright. Yeah guys, so this is Murray's jerk hut. Yeah, so them the jerk, chicken, pork, whatever them have, like a sports bar setting this up, this or two, you know. Alright. And in the other side I know them do like curry goat and fried fish and the sides and so on, you know. Oh, this is where you go? Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, them put like that's like an ice cream shop. Devano's ice cream shop. Yeah. The place is busy on a Sunday, bad though, babe. Busy on a Sunday. Yeah, you get super size inside. Along with like fish and them thing there, as what I say. Yeah. So you make your order, then you go collect.
We get the festivals here?
Yes, festival one.
What about if I want soup? I'll go inside for that. Alright. Can I have 2 chicken quarters? And we have it.
There's some festival and people, festival yeah, that's festival.
Can I have 2 festival and planting? Huh?
I'm gonna actually interrupt the video for a brief minute, alright? Dear friend of the channel, right, Donahue Parker, right, he's actually a photographer. You guys probably met him from a video we did, the apartment photo shoot at the Airbnb, right? As I said, he's our photographer. He actually lost everything in a house fire recently, right, including his camera equipment that he uses to make bread, right? But nonetheless, you know, we're trying our best to see how we can assist. And I'm just using my platform, right? So I'll be leaving a link to his GoFundMe account as well as his bank account. So whether you guys wanna donate via GoFundMe or to do a direct deposit to his bank, it's fine. Alright, as I say, dear friend lost everything in a house fire recently, right? So if you guys can assist, you know, it will greatly appreciated. Alright, back to regular programming, guys. Thank you. Yeah, remember Friday is I want Trinidad. A Trinidad fried style fried dumpling. Here, Maddie. Right, so them do them thing, you know. So them transfer the whole come around and things. Them have a big section out here, so where them are roast. And then what am I jerk chicken and stuff. Pork and jerk sausage and all them things. Yep. So this is our order, guys. 2 breast quarter. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Oh, put on the ketchup and stuff. You can put the pepper where you will add enough. You can put it on the side like. Am I in this?
No.
Yeah, put the right there, sir. Yeah. Well hard, trust me, well hard.
That's good for you?
Yeah, it's alright. You want that hot enough? It's hot enough. Very good. Alright, go on, put liquor. You can put liquor still.
Wait,
Put liquor right also.
Excuse me, can you give me a piece of fried paper?
People got me know to afraid of pepper, you know, so, you know. Yeah. This spot. Alright, so I get the refreshments and yes, you say you want soup?
Yes.
Alright, so I'll grab that and come then. Yeah, so what you're saying now, you're getting the fried fish and like soup and all them things there. We're gonna see if they actually have soup. Alright. So I keep a distance, no thing though. Social distance I keep, you know, so you know it go. People them seem to cooperate for the most part as well, so I have to commend them on that. So manage water soup, you know, people. Yeah. Respect.
So guys, we're having managed water. Then we have water. We have festivals and jerk chicken.
Which one would you put the pepper pan? I want them tear out. Looks like a year one this.
Year one with the extra something. This is a year one.
Yeah. See there? Yeah, people, see there? Jerk chicken breast, you know? Yeah. And we have, you know? I don't want to reproduction it, I'm going to do that. See there? Steamy everything, people. See there?
I'm enjoying this. This is hitting the spot right now. The goat tribe passed down the night without some banana, you know? All banana down the night to one them thing there. And the goat intestine and so on. You know, like when that in your body. Now you can. What is that here on it?
More protein.
So guys, I want to try the pepper. So we have it in here.
Tell her I said well hot enough people because I know it and at the same time I know she afraid of pepper, so I say better put it to the side, yeah.
So we got it in a little paper, foil paper. So we're gonna try it.
Proper, you know?
Yeah. I like the flavor.
Not gonna lie.
Alright, so that's a good taste without the pepper. Just with ketchup, I'm gonna try it with the pepper.
Festival them big though. How much for them? $30 one, right?
50.
$50. Average price, but them really big though.
Alright. Salt, pepper, and ketchup. It is hot. It is hot. I do have the pepper flavor, but the hot, the heat kind of bites you a bit more than the flavor does. So the heat kind of bite me before I taste the fullness of the flavor. You remember them?
The pepper you talk. If I remember it, for them pepper sauce nippy. Oh, yeah, the pepper.
I'm not eating more. I'm not eating more.
You can't manage it.
It's too hot, you know. It's not taste nice. It has more bite than flavor. I like it.
Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. You know?
Guys, we've made a new friend.
Him kakati bad. Watch him. Him kakati. Guys.
Hey guys,
Yeah man, we just finished chanting and
rain stop fall.
yeah. And we enjoyed the meal as well. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Very, very busy day considering the times we are in now. Me that's a man. A whole lot of people out, man. Trust me.
True.
The place busy bad. But nonetheless, you know, we really enjoyed it. And we hope you did enjoy the video too.
Yeah.
Alright, so if you enjoyed the video,
Give us a thumbs up.
yeah man, give us a like. And remember to subscribe to the Jerk Hut family. Alright? And share with a friend, guys. Alright?
Bye.
Bye.